And now we're going to go over the fourth question, which is when. Our text for this section is Matthew 7:24-27. Without insulting you, we would like to ask the question as to whether you'd like to be wise or foolish about the training that you've just received. This passage is about the wise and foolish builders. And of course, we assume that you want to be wise about the training that you have received. And we want you to be wise in three areas. The first area is to pray. You remember that we had talked about the people that you want to share with and the places that you want to go share in. So the first thing that we would request that you do is pick a time when you will be praying for those people and the places that you want to share in, that God would open the hearts of individuals and enable them to be receptive when they hear the gospel. The second area that we would like you to be intentional in is sharing. And we see that in sharing, it is biblical to go there 2 by 2. So find somebody who you can partner with and then schedule a time that you can actually go and share with the people that you had thought about and in the places that you had thought about, and see if you can be able to reach out to them and share the gospel with them. We will suggest that you do this 10 times. So have an opportunity to share the gospel 10 times. Then the third area that we want you to be intentional in is gathering. And the idea to gather people is so that you can do a 4 questions training. We just went through the 4 questions, and now you are equipped with these 4 questions. Can you find 10 people with whom you will be able to share these 4 questions? And so in summary, when we talk about when, we want you to be intentional about when do you do 3 things. The first is, when will you pray? What time will you pray for the people and the places that you want to reach with the gospel? The second area that we want you to be intentional about is, when would you share with people? And reach out. The goal for that is to share 10 times. And the third area that we want you to be intentional in is to train 10 people in the 4 questions. So now go ahead and schedule a time that you pray, reach out to 10 people, share 10 times, and reach out to 10 people with the 4 questions training.